In this video, we'll demonstrate how to run a hardware scan on your system using Dell SupportAssist, and also provide the steps to take if an issue is identified which requires a hardware replacement. Keep in mind the following instructions are for when a user can access the PC's operating system. If you are having trouble accessing your PC's operating system, watch our video ePSA Pre-Boot System Assessment Dell Overview, in which we summarize the manual tests and the diagnostics to utilize when SupportAssist is not available. Running a hardware scan is quick and easy with Dell SupportAssist. To do this, open Dell SupportAssist. Within the home page, on the Scan Hardware tile, click on Run, wait for SupportAssist to complete its diagnostics, and if an error appears, click Fix Now. SupportAssist will proceed to reveal where the issue lies. Click Next to begin the self-dispatch process. Here is where you confirm your personal information and make any edits if necessary. Afterwards, click Finish to finalize the hardware request. SupportAssist will then show your request number. Use this number to check the status of your request. This can be done by clicking the online status on this SupportAssist page. You can also go to dell.com/support and click on Service Request and Dispatch Status, and then enter your service request number. Please note that the fulfillment of each hardware request can vary depending on the part and the demand. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter. Visit the Dell Community Forum and join in a chat with other Dell users. We have many other helpful tips and tutorials available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.